Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Copper Jacket TV. So I've been doing this YouTube thing for almost 10 years now, and this is the most excited that I have ever been to get in front of the camera and tell you guys something. Huge, massive, major Second Amendment victory in the Supreme Court in the NYSRPA v. Bruen case. This is the case that involves carry out of New York. We win. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, I just want to let you know I really appreciate you watching these videos. It means a lot. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. It would help me out greatly. And also check out the main sponsor of this channel, which is the USCCA. Absolutely the best membership you could ever have in your wallet with self-defense, liability insurance, and more. So check out the USCCA. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's go and talk about this massive Second Amendment win. I mean, the biggest Second Amendment win since Heller. This is going to have ramifications across the country. You guys are basically living through history right now because the Supreme Court has basically said that as an individual, we have a right to carry outside of our homes for the purpose of self-defense, and that New York's licensing scheme that says you have to show special cause other than self-defense is unconstitutional, and that it does not carry water. So this, again, it's going to have ramifications in places like California, in LA County, in Hawaii, and any other state that has a similar scheme or simply does not allow carry outside of the home. This is so far the biggest win of the century is basically what we're looking at here. And I want to read you guys a quote from the opinion that was given by Justice Clarence Thomas. So let me go ahead and read this to you. And the reason why I'm reading this specific one to you is because this is something that I mention in a lot of my 2A videos. I say, how does it hold up? If we're looking at 2A rights and, what they're trying to do, how does it hold up against other rights? Would you apply that to the First Amendment or any other amendment in our Bill of Rights? And if you can't, then it shouldn't apply to the second because the second is not a second-class right. So Justice Clarence Thomas writes this in his opinion. We know of no other constitutional right that an individual may exercise only after demonstrating to government officers some special need. That's not how the First Amendment works when it comes to unpopular speech or the free exercise of religion. It's not how the Sixth Amendment works when it comes to a defendant's right to confront the witnesses against him. And it is not how the Second Amendment works when it comes to public carry for self-defense. Justice Clarence Thomas wrote the opinion, and it is an amazing one. So this is pretty exciting, right? I mean, the Supreme Court basically just confirmed what we've been saying all along, which is our Second Amendment rights do not simply disappear just because we leave the home. There is no magical threshold that we somehow cross and our Second Amendment rights become lesser or different. That's not the case. They upheld the fact that we have Second Amendment rights that extend past our home and the Second Amendment right to defend ourselves. Again, that's kind of an important thing too, because they've clarified once more that our Second Amendment right is there not just for hunting, right, which is something that they like to talk about all the time. Politicians love it. It's not just for hunting, it's also for self-defense. And so this is not only going to have, implications and ramifications across the country in different states that have similar schemes or don't allow carry, it's going to have implications in other 2A cases as well, and 2A law that extends past just the NYSRPA v. Bruen case. And so we're going to see this probably be applied in a lot of different cases through all the circuit courts and kind of moving up the court system. They're going to be referencing Clarence Thomas and his opinion in this, just like they reference Heller in most other cases. Now they have Heller and they have this. So it's going to be used in order to protect our Second Amendment rights moving forward, and this is a huge win. So I'm really excited. Today is a great day. It's going to lead to a great weekend, and we did it as a collective voice who understood what the Second Amendment actually means, that it's not a privilege, that it is a right not to be treated as second class. We win. We all win. That's, I understand that, this is a big win for the NYSRP and everything else, but it's a win for anybody who believes in the Constitution and our Bill of Rights. So I want to thank you all very much for watching. We're going to talk a lot more about this after I do a lot more reading, but I want to thank you all very much for watching again. Please like, subscribe. You guys have a great day.